Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the channel banner on your mobile phone. If you are using an iPhone or Android, just try this process. So please kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you, love you all. How do you go about this? Firstly, you go to your YouTube mobile app, then you click on your channel page, and you're going to see your data in YouTube. Click on your data in YouTube. So it will take you to this page. The network is down right now, and you are going to click on 30 videos. Then you go to, if you have the studio on your mobile phone, you don't need to click on get the app. But if you don't have, then you click on get the app. So, but because I have the YouTube studio, so I'm just click on continue to studio. The network is down and it's taking forever to load. Well, let's say you can actually zoom this page. You can zoom it in, zoom it out. You can scroll up, you can scroll down, and like just to get the best view from your mobile phone. Click on the menu bar, then click on customization. Wait for it to load because this actually takes time. You now have your channel customization page. Click on branding, then you see change profile picture, change channel banner. You can decide to change your profile picture or either change your channel banner. Click on the change, then choose your picture from your photo gallery or from your album. You save it and publish, and there you go, your channel banner is ready. So I did this on my mobile and I hope this video is actually helpful to anybody watching. So please, if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to this channel, and then I'll see you in my next